not fair. I don't have any videos of you. Let me take some.
No. You walk up the hill. Walk up the hill.
No.
Yes, life is rough. You have to understand that how rough life is, okay?
This is like rock climbing.
Hence the reason why you saw everybody at rope.
Yeah, make sure we're gonna get to Gertrude's nose.
Yeah, somebody wants to get to Gertrude's nose. You're lucky if it's like this. We're gonna be lucky if we get to 2 miles. I think those guys walking on the biking trail. I think it's gonna be beautiful, though. Hell yes, that's how it works. Yeah, we're climbing for hugs and kisses at the top, okay, guys? Oh, so this is the blue trail, though. Yeah, this is such a beautiful hike. No wonder people love hiking here.
Here's your drink.
No, I'm not thirsty. I'm not thirsty.